Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting with me. Today I wanted to share with you this little mini album that I put together for one of my nieces. Obviously her name is Little Maggie. And well, it's not really little, but we just call her Little Maggie. And this was one of her Christmas gifts. And I would consider this album done and I put it together as best as I could, but you are gonna see some layouts that are empty, and that's because I wanted my sister to help the girls choose pictures or take pictures to add to this themselves. This is an album by American Crafts, and I bought it from Tuesday Morning. It was really inexpensive, you guys, $3.99, I believe. This is a little charm from Prima Marketing that I've had for a little while, and I just haven't used it. And then these tags were given to me during the embellishment swaps, and you guys are gonna see as I move along that I am using the stuff that you guys sent to me. So I hope you see that you recognize I used the ribbon as well that was gifted to me. So I hope that you see that I'm incorporating pieces here and there for my projects, because I do use this stuff, you guys. I am appreciative of what you sent me, and I don't want to keep saying this on this video, but if you guys see, just know that, oh yeah, I sent her this stuff. So thank you once again. I am using the Dream Big by Simple Stories. And I actually have, you guys, this whole album was put together with 4 pages. And the album comes with, like, I want to say maybe 5 or 6 pages. So I did end up adding more of these little plastic pages in here, and it's not thick at all. Like, look, it has room to grow. I am so in love because this took about half an afternoon. So it doesn't take, normally when I do like a whole album, it takes me days or long hours. From, like, I think I did my sister-in-law's wedding album like super late, you guys. I want to say it took me like maybe till midnight or 1 in the morning, but these are like so easy to put together, and I hope that you guys like my layout. Like I said, I have a whole nother kit, but this is because I thought it was gonna take more than what it really did. And like I said, I'm using the Simple Stories Dream Big collection. If you guys can see, I have the other kits. I am gonna have plenty of leftovers, so I'm actually thinking that I am gonna create one for my daughter as well, so that she could put it in her bookshelf. So I think that every little kid should have a bookshelf in their rooms, and you should fill it up with books as much as you can. This is a perfect thing to add to their little bookshelf, and just let them keep it there, so they can always go back and look at their pictures. So I don't know if I said this. This is a charm that I had from Prima, and you guys already saw the first layout. It's just a chipboard sticker of this unicorn. Added some washi tape. This is again from Susan that she sent me. And then this is, you guys know, my favorite thing to do is to add, let me see, I'm gonna have to open this and then just take out a page. But you guys know that I like to save these little strips for little banners, and that's exactly where this one came from. So this is the introduction. Here's a picture of my little niece. Just added some wood decorations. Dream big. I would hope she would put a picture here, and look how cute is she. Look, Look at her face and then look at her goofiness. She reminds me a lot of her mom because her mom was always like the wild child and carefree. And I just thought that layout looked so adorable. Here, I kept it very simple. And actually, you guys, they give you a page. Let me see if I could find it. Give me 1 second. They give you a page in this kit that is 4x4. I'm just gonna have to take it out. And this one right here. They give you this page that's 4x4. And this, oh, lifesaver. Made putting this album together so easy. So as you can see here, I just cut up a 4x4 card and then to put it in the 3 dividers. I just think it was something different. And then this is actually a 4x4 as well, but I decided to cut it. And then I don't know if you guys can see, but I edged as much throughout the album. You're gonna see that I etched it in purple. This was using the Stampin' Up, what is the name of the ink? Hold on. Highline Heather is the name of the Stampin' Up ink that I used for that. Kept this layout really simple. Of course, the rainbow and then the actual rainbow here. A picture of her and her sister, which are the same pictures that you guys will see on the other album, because I wanted to encourage that sisterly love and I wanted to record their moments together. So just added a little chipboard diamond here, and then here I cut the chipboard sticker in 2 so that it could fit. Hopefully it looks okay, like that. And then here says so very meowgical. And if you guys can see, these pictures went perfect because she had her a cat drawn on her face. So I added that. And this one I popped up in some 3D foam squares just to give it some dimension. And then here's picture of them together as well. And of course you guys can see I try to stick to the same you know, like the unicorn and the rainbow. Here's a picture of them. Of course, left some space for more pictures. And then here I created this little tag because I wanted to incorporate the word dream, but the word would not fit this way and it wouldn't fit this way all in one line. So this is the best idea that I came up with. And then back here I just put a little journaling card that's an actual 3x4 and just a little note that says, may your dreams always burn bright and your heart always be filled with love and hope. And just added that, and then some more empty spaces. Here is my least favorite, but not because I think it's ugly. Obviously, I think it's beautiful, but I feel like maybe this didn't work out as I intended it to be. So originally, I wanted it to have like a square, and I didn't realize that I couldn't fit the entire words. So it's broken up. These 2 are broken up in 2 pieces, and it may not be as easily readable as I would like, but it just says fly with fairies, ride a unicorn, swim with mermaids, chase rainbows. And like I said, it's just this part. I kind of wish that I would have come up with something better for this, but it is what it is. I, of course, added the fairy and added the mermaid in there because that's what it was talking about. So put it in there. And this is the final page, you guys. This is, of course, just made like a little cluster with the little fairy in here for a picture. I would hope she would put a picture here underneath the word, and then some pictures here. And for the very first time, I made one of these. Usually you could put sequin in some of these, but I actually use the Decorative Details by Brutus Monroe, and this is called Sprinkles. Fox Sprinkles, is that the name of it? Yeah. And I thought that the colors went super well with this collection, so I just hand sewed the top of it, and they have that to include something different and simple. And the very last page, just a picture here, and then somehow or somewhere in all of this album, I want to add like a little letter for her. You know, I don't really talk to my nieces as often as I should, and just wanted to write a little note for her and make it more personal. So I'll probably honestly include that maybe in this pocket or something. I don't know exactly where. I don't want to I want to keep the album simple on the inside, so I don't know, maybe include it in here. I'll find a space for it. So, and that's the flip through album, you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna be creating a second one, but I am gonna be using the same collection. I'm gonna try not to do them exactly the same, so I'll still show you guys. I may even show you like 1 or 2 layouts, because I wanted to use this tool and I didn't for her album. So I'll try to incorporate it in the second one for my other niece. But that is going to be it for today. I hope that you guys enjoy it, and have a good one. See you guys soon. Bye.